In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Lightning in Mozilla Thunderbird. Here's the good news right up front. You don't actually need to install the Lightning add-on separately anymore. In modern versions of Mozilla Thunderbird, Lightning is already built in as the default calendar feature. So instead of adding anything, we're really just going to make sure you can find it, and if needed, bring your Thunderbird up to date so the calendar works exactly as it should. Start by opening Thunderbird. Once it launches, look toward the left side of the window. The calendar feature is integrated right into the interface, so you should see your calendar area there, along with options to view and manage events. If you can see your calendars and dates, you're all set. The Lightning functionality is already active and ready to use. If you're using a very old version of Thunderbird and you don't see the calendar where you expect it, the best solution is to update Thunderbird. Updating ensures you get the built-in calendar and the latest fixes. To do that, go to the three-line menu icon in the top right corner of Thunderbird. That's the application menu. From there, open the Help section. Next, choose About Thunderbird. This window handles updates for you. If there's an update available, you'll see the option to install it. If you see a button to check for updates, click it. Thunderbird will download and prepare the latest version. If the window indicates that you're already up to date, that means you're on a version where the calendar is built in and ready to go. Once you've confirmed you're on a modern version, you can verify that everything works by creating something simple. Choose the event option to add a new calendar entry. Give your event a clear title, pick the date and time, and select the calendar you want it to live on if you use more than one. Save the event, and you should see it appear immediately on your calendar view. That quick check confirms the Lightning calendar features are active. To recap, open Thunderbird, look to the left side to find the integrated calendar, and if you don't see it or things look outdated, use the menu in the top right corner to go to Help, then About Thunderbird and check for updates. With that done, use the event option to create a test entry and you're ready to go. That's all there is to using Lightning in Thunderbird today. It's built in, streamlined, and just a click away.